Welcome to nTask Tutorials. How to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Go to Meetings tab. Click on Add New Meeting. Enter your new meeting title. Click on the newly created meeting for detailed view. Enter date and time. If the meeting is associated with a task, select Task, otherwise leave Task blank. To create a meeting in Microsoft Teams, select the location to Microsoft Teams. Select Participants for the meeting. Set your agenda and click Send Invite to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams.